How's it going, YouTubers? Electron Man. We're going to do a review over the SKMEI I guess SKMEI SKMEI. It's a big watch. It's kind of a dive watch. It's cool when it's an analog and a digital, but it needs a battery. So the first thing we're going to do, it looks like this one uses 4 Phillips heads. So I'll get my little kit out here and see if I can find a screwdriver that will fit that nicely. What size is that? That's a little bitty sucker, man. I don't know if I got anything that small. Oh, let me see what I can find here. Okay. Have to go to my micro set here. Wow. Kind of disappointed my little kit doesn't have a, it's got all kinds of pin punches, but I don't see a nice little bitty Phillips head. Huh. It's got 3 different sizes of flat blades, but anyway, I got my little Harbor Freight marker screwdriver set here. Handy little item to have, I tell you. And let's go ahead and take these screws out. This is a resin case, so a lot of this type watch has to where it literally uses screws to hold the back on. We sure want to get it sealed good again so that it's waterproof. Okay. Here's the O-ring. Pay attention to that. And let's see, what do we got here going on? After battery replacement, contact AC using I've never seen one say that before, huh? It's got like a sticker on it. I don't know if you've seen that or not. And that's, I'm sure, the little alarm by the speaker that it has on it. And let's see, great. Another little bitty screw. And there she is, out she comes. Okay, and let's hope I have one of these batteries. CRV 2016, I believe I have that. Let me see here. Right there. Awesome. It's a good battery too, the Energizer. Oh. Okay. take the battery and set her in there. And then we got this fun little plate to put back on with the cover. Why don't they make batteries easier to replace? I mean, why do they gotta complicate it so much? To me, if you got a battery watch, you know the battery's not going to last forever, so why do they make it so they're so hard to access? Okay. Now if I can just get that little bitty screw back in there. Okay. Easily turn it back in. Okay. Now that done. Is she back on? Yes, she is. And I'm just going to put this sticker back on here. I'm not sure what this whole after battery replacement, contact AC with battery negative using tweezers. I do not know what that means. Okay, and then reset, start step, light mode. Okay, that's the setting the time, so 8, 9, 10. Hopefully you're seeing this. 11. And what I say was 11:47. Light works good on it. Looks like we're good to go. Okay, let me screw the back on here. I kind of pull those tabs a little bit out so they make sure I connect good again. Definitely want to make sure we get this O-ring back in here nice and seated. Fortunately, it has a little groove that fits in good. And then we just set the top back on there. Snapped in there nice. What if the tone's making a noise now? Yep, hear the tone? So we know we're good with the speaker hooking back up on the back. Now we just need to put the 4 screws back in the back of it. I'm not completely tightening them up yet. Get them all started. Just going around and second down just to make sure. Okay. Okay, now we have replaced the battery on my SKMEI. Anyway, it's a pretty cool little watch. Let's go ahead and take a look at her here. We'll get you some statistics on it. Like I said, it's one of my bigger dial watches. I like that it's got the analog display, plus it's got the digital display, so it gives you date and time, and digital as well as it's got a stopwatch and an alarm. All the cool things you get with a digital watch, but it's an analog digital watch. New battery in it. Let me get my calipers here. It's kind of a light watch for as big as it is, which is cool. Usually light watches are not light watches. Our big face watches are usually not light in weight. And let's see here, we are talking 52, actually almost 53 millimeters to the outside, and the display's bezel is 42. Yeah, I'd say 42 millimeters. So it's a big watch. Let's see what the weight on it is. By the way, it's the first time I put a battery in this watch, and I've had it for a couple of years, so it held up battery pretty well. And let's see, is this out? Weight-wise, only 61 grams. Yeah, that's rather light for a big watch. Great swimming watch, snorkeling watch, something like that. I wouldn't go any deeper than that. Not sure what the water resistance on it is. It says water resistant, and I think this is, yeah, 5, well, I can't make that out. There's a water resistant 5 ATM, which, yeah, I think is brief underwater, like for light swimming and stuff like that. You can go out and pull those water resistant codes, and it'll give you what a 5 TM is. But anyway, here it is, water resistant. I made sure I got the seal back on it, got the battery in it, and let's go ahead and put it on. Oh, I still got the Vic on. I've been wearing it all week. I really like this last watch I bought. I've been sporting it all week. In fact, I got a couple compliments on it. I'm going to take it off. Let's go and put this Big Daddy on here. You're wearing this, you definitely know you're wearing a watch. It's so light, though, it doesn't really feel like you're wearing a big watch, but look at the size of that dial. I think it's a cool looking watch. In fact, I think I might wear it this week. And I got a fresh battery, and it's kind of cool to wear it for a little while. So anyway, review on the watch, it keeps great time. It's been a great little old watch. No complaints there. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you do, take a chance to give it a thumbs up and a like. And I hope you enjoyed this Watch Day Friday. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll talk at you later. This is the Electron Man.